It's no secret that squatting continues to be a big problem in our state, especially here in the metro. Now, lawmakers are looking to do something about it. A new law goes into effect tomorrow aimed at cracking down on this issue. 3 on Your Side's Quentin Smith joins us from outside the state capitol to explain. Quentin?
That's right. So we've reported on a number of stories telling you about squatters and all of the issues they've been causing. We've told you about how they live in abandoned homes and how they've damaged properties. That's why those we spoke with say they are in favor of this new legislation. They're just hoping it'll actually be enforced.
Squatting is a huge problem here in Mississippi.
For Ptolemy White, this is a problem she knows about all too well. See, not only is she the executive director for the Jackson Resource Center, but she's also a landlord.
A lot of them find these abandoned properties because they know that they can go and they can live. And normally the neighbors are not going to say anything, and they can do what they want to do.
That's why she's in favor of the new law protecting property owners from squatters. Under House Bill 1200, it defines a squatter as a trespasser who remains on the premises for a period of time, or any person who was invited by a tenant but remains on the premises after the tenant's rental agreement has ended. Under this new law, to have a squatter removed, a property owner must file a sworn affidavit with the law enforcement agency of the municipality, county, or political subdivision in which the property is located. Here's how it works. Within 24 hours of the affidavit filing, police will issue a citation to the alleged squatter. After that, the alleged squatter has 3 days to contest their status in court. If they fail to respond, law enforcement will give them a 24-hour notice to leave the property immediately or be removed. When it comes to consequences, squatters who are responsible for more than $1,000 in damages would be guilty of a felony, and they could face up to 5 years in prison.
If it's enforced, then initially, I think we're going to see a whole lot more people on the street, and Jackson may look a little trashier for a minute.
While White is in favor of this new law, she believes it's only one piece to the puzzle. To prevent the squatters from being back out on the streets again, she believes more houses and resources are still needed.
More affordable housing, where individuals are tasked with paying 30% of their income towards a rent, as opposed to saying, okay, your rent is a flat $700, you either pay it or you don't. Then I think we'll keep a lot more people housed a lot longer.
Now, I also want to point out, under this new legislation, a squatter can be fined and face jail time if they present false documents and paperwork saying they live at a property that's not theirs. This legislation, it officially goes into effect tomorrow, July 1st. We're live outside the state capitol. Quentin Smith, 3 on Your Side.
It will be